guys, welcome back to another video. So my son the outside now. I go call him because I kinda feel sick, but me not go I feel me go feel the cough. Me just have a cough in him face to see in reaction. So stay tuned for this video. So me when me talk, me just continue cough in him face to see how him would react. So if you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, comment guys, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you're coming back, thanks for coming and so on guys. So I'm outside now, I'm gonna call him and just stay tuned for the video. T I'm outside. So me when I time just go cough in my face for see when we come guys. You do video with me? Sit down. So we're gonna tell the people tell them morning. Come over. Say good morning guys. Say good morning guys. Say good morning.
Good morning.
So guys, this is my son. You know him already. You know say him Tyrell. I'm gonna call him T. Yeah.
No call me the T, my name Tyrell.
Yeah guys. So yeah. So we're gonna go to the supermarket today and we're gonna do shopping. We're gonna buy tea.
Shop trips.
Chips alone. We're gonna buy meat to cook and rice and you know. Yeah.
Just tell me. What?
Oh.
Me not play here.
We just did one cup of tea. Where you going? I'm sorry. Come back now, come sit down. I'm sorry. Come now.
That's a corona, no.
Me not have no corona. Come now, come sit down now.
No, talk to me.
Alright, just see you. Me not buy no sweetie for you because
But why you see spam me then for?
I am sorry. We in a video. Come sit down back now.
No.
Guys, let's see reaction. Come, we in the video. Tea, we in the video.
Say
Come.
I answer, me now do it again.
I'm sorry, me not gonna do it again.
Squeeze over there, so now squeeze for me.
Sneeze over there, so but you can't take it.
Sure, man.
So guys, we're gonna buy grocery today. Tea, I can't put that on your face.
Why?
It's dirty.
No.
Me not sneeze by you, me not have no corona. Come sit down now. Alright, you know what? When we go to the supermarket, me not buying anything. Give you.
Not fun and this is fun.
Yes, Miss Wagwan.
Sure. Do it again now. See me come out of here and long way more some more. Just do it again. I see. I'm now the video. She sees by me.
Alright guys, yeah, wanna see how to behave rude. You know say me go to supermarket, him love buy gummy bear, ping pong. Him love buy ping pong and them something. You know not even one me not give him because him not no behavior. I'm not no behavior.
So why you sees by me then for?
T, we in a video, can you talk to me like that?
So why you sees by me?
I am sorry. So, but me not have corona.
You sick, one person tell you turn off the squeeze by them, cover your mouth. Can I see spam people?
You know in a video, come in a video now?
I know you was seized.
But an accident. I never sneeze by you for spide. Alright guys, so
I know she want to do season video now. No, she want to do that, you know. Come out of video, can you?
alright guys, so yeah, me and my son are gonna buy a lot of things today.
Just a video, you know. I want me tell you some more on the relief video.
Come up man, come up in a video now. Yeah guys, so
Video now, don't you?
we're gonna buy a lot of things today and yeah, we're gonna basically shop. We normally buy a lot of snack, a lot of things.
Film it.
T, why your favorite snack?
Me, I don't know.
Come up man, tell them you know why your favorite snack. What kind of snack me buy for you?
But me not.
Tell the people them.
Back after no some night video.
Tell the people them what yeah, that's alright. Tell the people them what kind of snack me buy for you.
strawberries, sweetie, pink palm.
See, me no buy big food, me no buy cheeses, me no buy Lay's, me no buy Ruffles, me no buy Pringles, me no buy popcorn. Want me to all of them snack? Me no buy banana chips.
No, strawberry chips.
That are cherry
Bun.
berry. It's strawberry.
Strawberry.
Want me to eat cheese biscuit? Them you love eat. All of
Me
them.
like cheeseberry. Gretal. Remember plum?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, me love plum, you know. But she no love plum. Me,
No, me really
me
not like
just
plum.
love grape.
You love grape?
Yeah, you love grape?
Yeah, me love grape.
Grape color.
Yeah, me not really like plum.
Me like grape.
I'm not paying you this time. It put me under my mouth.
Put your hand on your mouth like so.
Mm-hmm,
Look.
Yeah. Guys, see, put me under my mouth this time. So this today, we soon go to supermarket, you know.
Yeah,
It's basically a Saturday.
pass me now.
Guys, me hot. It's basically a Saturday, and we normally shop on a Saturday. We don't go market.
Why you carry this around your neck?
Me baby father normally go market, so me and T just basically go supermarket and
Move yourself.
so guys.
Man.
Well, I want me to. Want me to?
Take your pass me no man.
T, what happened to you? What me pies here? Me not have no pies in. Me not sneeze pan you. Guys, we basically see how T react. I'm gonna tell you saying to the girl to cover her mouth. I just need to see some guys. When you see how him react, though, I don't need to show him nothing more. When you see how T react when I sneeze pan him, right? So, hope you do enjoy this video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, guys. If you're new, share out the video for me. Please share out the video for me, guys. Please, me really depend on the support more. I reach 3K pretty soon. Yeah, pretty soon. So, I want to just do this for me. Do this for me. My true supporter, them people that love me. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.